My name is Mary. I'm the proud owner of this place. My interior designers are Ming and Coco from M+L Associates. Ming and Coco, they are very friendly and they have been most helpful in the space planning, the design, and the management of the whole project. My favorite feature of the home is the balcony. I got to know Renopedia from word of mouth as well as on the internet. I'll give an ang pao to my IDs and then save the rest for rainy days. To all new homeowners, take time to browse through the various portfolios of the different IDs and go with the one you can trust. Thank you, Renopedia. Visit Renopedia for more information on interior design.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.